So guys, for the first step, once you're on Google Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right. And now you want to click on Extensions. And then click on Manage Extensions. If you think there are any extensions here that may be causing a problem, then you want to disable it. For the next step, you want to click on the three dots again in the top right. This time, we're going to go to Settings. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to select Privacy and Security. And now you want to click on Delete Browsing Data. You want to make the time range all time, and you want to select Cookies and Cache. You can unselect everything else if you want to, but make sure that you select both Cookies and Cache, and then click on Delete from this device. For the next step, you want to go to Search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and then click on Enter. And now you want to type in netsh space windsock space reset and then click on Enter. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.